It is just after dawn and the day breathes quietly. Pale ribbons of sunlight stretch through the open window, gently awakening the kitchen. Here, comfort is not imposed, but grows. The soft creak of a wooden chair, a muted clatter as a ceramic bowl is set on the table, the faint whisper of leaves outside. On the table, a simple bowl, the kind only used for something special, holds pears so fresh they seem carved from morning itself, each one misted with dew, their gold and green skin luminous in the gentle light. Today is World Pear Day, and though there are grander holidays, this morning insists on cherishing the subtle sweetness that dwells in simplicity. A hand, steady and unhurried, reaches into the bowl. It selects a pear, just the right curve, a stem that resists for an instant before yielding. As the knife slices down, a quiet crispness, almost musical, radiates through the air. The fruit's inside is almost translucent, and beads of juice catch the light. A narrator's voice is barely louder than the turning of a page. Pears, she says, have been part of breakfast tables for centuries, a companion through time and tradition, rich in fiber and gentle energy, as nourishing to the spirit as to the body. Next, the slices are fanned across a wooden board. The sound of fruit settling is soft, rhythmic, a beginning. In the glassy calm, a spoon swirls creamy yogurt into a waiting bowl. It folds and clouds, preparing the way for a sunrise. Arranged pear slices arc in a gentle pattern, almost a flower. Granola scatters in golden flecks, and finally ribbons of honey find their place. Slow, sure, a patient drizzle. For a moment, the camera lingers, the anticipation of that first spoonful, health transformed into an artwork. Morning shifts, and sunlight finds a pan warming on the stove. Butter melts, a quiet sigh, and thin pear slices sizzle as cinnamon dusts them, immediately perfuming the air. They caramelize, edges curling as a sweet steam rises. Nearby, bread crisps. The transformation is unmistakable. Ordinary becomes extraordinary. Together on the plate, toast and pears assemble, crisp, golden, glossed with syrup, and a snowfall of powdered sugar completes the scene. Momentarily, everything blurs, but the foods glow. A blender hums low, gathering intention for the day ahead. Pear chunks, tender and green, join spinach, a banana, oats, cold milk, all whirling into a bright, smooth blend. The result pours into a tall glass, green and vibrant as the first grass of spring, capturing the day's energy in one vital color. The table is final, ready, 3 breakfasts for 3 moods, all welcoming. Sunlight paints every edge, blessing the last details. With no hurry, the morning pauses, time softens, and the world becomes quiet, just long enough to feel the sweetness of being here. In this stillness, creativity breathes, and inspiration waits to be welcomed. Healthy mornings begin with a pear. Happy World Pear Day. Choose freshness. Choose goodness. Choose pears. A spoon dips into the yogurt bowl, a quiet first bite, a smile forms, becoming the day's first illumination. Outside, the world waits, while inside, the morning is grateful, gentle, and sweet.